Well, I came back to school to be a pharmacist, but once I got to analytical chemistry, I decided that I just loved it, and that's where my passion was, so I wanted to do it forever.
So chemistry has always been my favorite. When I did my microbiology undergrad, I realized that I'm not really cut out for something that's microbiology or like biology in the sense. So I always thought, so even though I got my undergrad in microbiology, my thought process was to get a future study in chemistry anyways. So, and I always wanted to come to the US for my graduate studies.
But science was always what was at the forefront of my interests. I took both AP Bio and AP Chemistry in high school, and then chemistry is really what stood out. But I love how detailed everything is, how organized you have to be successful in science. I didn't really find that anywhere else that I've seen.
Yes, you can see physical manifestations in our universe, but whenever you're looking at chemical reactions, it kind of just looks like magic, and I kind of wanted to be a modern day alchemist. And
when we went into the nomenclature of organic compounds, because now I could put names with like all these interesting looking structures, and then once I got into inorganic chemistry, I got to see even cooler, interesting structures. I like the 3D aspect of it.
Over time, you realize that you just know so many beautiful things about the world and how the way chemicals work that I talked to my mom, and she's like, well, what are you doing? And so then I would tell her, and she's like, even though I don't understand what you're saying, it's all so beautiful, the fact that you know all of these things at this point.
Definitely the explosions and fire.
So burn the flame. Higher, 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 and higher.
I worked with making my own fireworks as a kid, unfortunately. Despite the many warnings they put on making those chemicals.
Since childhood, I've seen people mixing stuff up, blowing stuff up. Sound looks pretty fun, very dangerous, but what's life without some danger, right?
Up.
So awesomely like.
I have only one burning desire. Let me stand next to your fire. Let me stand next to your fire. Let me stand next to your fire. Let me stand.
Oh, my eyes.